Ever felt like your business is a tangled web of spreadsheets, disconnected software, and endless emails? Like you're constantly chasing your own tail, trying to piece together a clear picture of what's actually happening? Imagine, for a moment, a single, unified platform that could bring all of that chaos into sharp focus. A system that could streamline your operations, give you real-time insights, and empower you to make smarter, faster decisions. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, that dream is a reality for thousands of businesses around the world, and it's called NetSuite. But what exactly is NetSuite? Is it just another piece of software? Or is it something more? Something transformative? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and consider the challenges that businesses face today. Whether you're a startup, a mid-sized company, or a large enterprise, you're likely dealing with a complex ecosystem of data and processes. You've got your sales team tracking leads, your finance department managing invoices, your inventory team keeping tabs on stock levels, and your marketing team running campaigns. Each of these departments might be using different software, leading to data silos, inefficiencies, and a lack of visibility. Think about it. How often do you find yourself waiting for reports from different departments, only to discover that the data doesn't align? How much time do you waste manually entering data from one system to another? How difficult is it to get a real-time view of your company's overall performance? These are the pain points that NetSuite is designed to address. Now, let's get down to the brass tacks. NetSuite is a cloud-based business management suite that provides a comprehensive set of applications for enterprise resource planning, ERP, customer relationship management, CRM, e-commerce, and more. It's essentially a one-stop shop for managing all your core business processes. At its heart, NetSuite is an ERP system, but it's not your traditional clunky ERP. It's built for the modern, agile business. It's designed to be scalable, flexible, and accessible from anywhere, at any time. So what does that mean in practical terms? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about ERP. NetSuite's ERP module helps you manage your financial operations, inventory, supply chain, and manufacturing processes. It provides a centralized platform for tracking all your financial transactions, from accounts payable and receivable to general ledger and budgeting. You can generate real-time financial reports, analyze your profitability, and ensure compliance with accounting standards. For inventory management, NetSuite allows you to track your stock levels, manage your warehouse operations, and optimize your inventory levels. You can set up automated reorder points, track inventory movements, and generate reports on your inventory turnover. In terms of supply chain management, NetSuite helps you streamline your procurement process, manage your vendor relationships, and track your shipments. You can automate purchase orders, manage your supplier contracts, and monitor your supply chain performance. If you're a manufacturing company, NetSuite provides tools for managing your production processes, from bill of materials and work orders to shop floor control and quality management. You can track your production costs, monitor your manufacturing efficiency, and ensure product quality. Next, let's look at CRM. NetSuite's CRM module helps you manage your customer relationships, from lead generation to customer service. It provides a 360-degree view of your customers, allowing you to track their interactions, manage their accounts, and personalize their experience. You can use NetSuite's CRM to manage your sales pipeline, track your sales activities, and forecast your sales revenue. You can also use it to manage your marketing campaigns, track your marketing performance, and generate leads. For customer service, NetSuite provides tools for managing customer support cases, tracking customer issues, and resolving customer complaints. You can also use it to create a customer self-service portal, allowing customers to find answers to their questions and resolve their own issues. And then there's e-commerce. NetSuite's Suite Commerce platform allows you to create and manage your online store, from product catalogs and shopping carts to order management and payment processing. You can create a personalized shopping experience for your customers, manage your online promotions, and track your e-commerce performance. Suite Commerce is more than just an online store builder. It's a complete e-commerce platform that integrates seamlessly with your ERP and CRM data. This means that you can manage your inventory, pricing, and customer data from a single platform, ensuring consistency and accuracy across all your channels. But NetSuite is more than just a collection of modules. It's a unified platform that integrates all your business processes. This integration is what sets NetSuite apart from other business management solutions. Think about the benefits of having all your data in one place. You can generate real-time reports that provide a holistic view of your business performance. You can identify trends and patterns that would be difficult to spot with disparate systems. You can make faster, more informed decisions based on accurate and up-to-date data. Moreover, NetSuite is highly customizable. You can tailor the system to meet your specific business needs, whether you're a small business with a few employees or a large enterprise with thousands of employees. You can add custom fields, create custom reports, and develop custom workflows. And because NetSuite is a cloud-based platform, you can access it from anywhere, at any time, using any device. This flexibility is particularly important in today's mobile-first world. One of the most compelling aspects of NetSuite is its scalability. As your business grows, NetSuite can grow with you. You can add new modules, expand your user base, and increase your data storage capacity without having to worry about upgrading your hardware or software. NetSuite also offers a robust ecosystem of partners and developers who can help you customize and extend the platform. You can find pre-built integrations with other business applications, as well as custom solutions for specific industries and business needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.